If you're looking for a way to fix the no edit option on Facebook post error, then this video is for you. In this video, you will learn how to troubleshoot and fix this annoying error so that you can edit your posts again. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. I will walk you through 4 different ways to fix this issue, and the very first one is to check whether or not you have an update for your Facebook app. So in order to do that, open up the Google Play Store and then tap on this search bar up top and then type in Facebook. To the right of Facebook, it will either say, Open, or Update. If it says Open, that means you are using the latest version of the Facebook app. If it says Update, then you need to update your Facebook app to the latest version as soon as possible because this error might be a bug or glitch in the Facebook app, and updating it to the latest version usually fixes these issues. If the first solution didn't fix your issue, then let's move on to the next thing, which is to clear the Facebook app data. So in order to do that, open up the settings, and then scroll down and tap on Apps. And then tap on this search bar up top and search for Facebook. So when you are on this screen, what you want to do next is tap on Storage, and then tap on Clear Data. And it will clear all of the data that's associated with the Facebook app, including any corrupted data, but don't worry, this will not affect your Facebook account and all of its posts. You just have to log back into your Facebook account. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. If it didn't fix your issue, then let's move on to the next solution, which is to sideload an older version of Facebook. So in order to do that, first uninstall the current version of the Facebook app that's installed on your device, and then open up any browser that you like. And then simply search for Facebook up to down. And then tap on this exact search result. Once you are on this website, tap on Older Versions, and then select an older version of Facebook, like a week ago before you had this issue. Let's simply select the August 11th, 2022 version, and then tap on Download. And it will take a couple of seconds to download. Once you have downloaded the older version of the app, tap on Open and go through the installation process. Once you install that on your device, open up the app and then log into your Facebook account, and hopefully you will have no issues. If you are still encountering the issue, then let's move on to the fourth and final option, which is to simply use the browser version of Facebook. So go ahead and open up any browser that you like, and then go to facebook.com where you can log into your Facebook account through the browser and edit your post. So that wraps up this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more simple tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.